Welcome to qnawire.
For this reaction, let's calculate delta H. To avoid fractions, let's multiply everything out here. 6FeO, solid, plus 6CO to produce 6Fe and 6CO2. So we'll have 6FeO plus 2CO2 to produce 2Fe3O4 and 2CO. Delta H naught here is this is reversed, so this would be Fe2 minus 2 to 18 kilojoules, and then we have 2 Fe3O4 plus CO2, 3 Fe2O3 and CO. Delta H naught here is equal to minus 39 kilojoules, and then we'd have 3 Fe2O3 add 9 CO, produce 6 Fe and 9 CO2. Delta H naught here is equal to 3 times minus 23 kilojoules. Now, if we put this all together, we'd have 6 FeO plus 6 CO goes to 6 Fe and 6 CO2. Delta H naught here, adding all of this up together, I get minus 60 is equal to minus 66 kilojoules. And then if I divide everything by 6, FeO plus CO goes to Fe and CO2. Delta H naught here works out to minus 11 kilojoules. So here is the delta H naught for the reaction that we were asked. And for part B, using the reaction here, CO2 plus C goes to 2CO gas. We're asked to calculate the delta H naught, delta S naught, assuming they do not depend on temperature, and at what temperature is the conversion spontaneous under standard conditions. So let's calculate delta H naught. Delta H naught would be equal to the enthalpy of formation of CO2 gas minus the enthalpy of formation of, that would be CO, the product first, CO gas, and that'd be 2 there, minus the enthalpy of formation of CO2 gas minus the enthalpy of formation carbon solid. This would be equal to 2 times negative 110.5 kilojoules minus 393.5 kilojoules minus 0. Delta H naught works out to 170 minus there, inside there, minus 172.5 kilojoules, and that's our value for delta H naught. Delta S naught is equal to delta S naught, or delta S for 2 delta S for CO gas, delta S naught there, minus delta S naught for CO2, minus delta S naught for carbon solid. This is equal to 2 times 198 joules per Kelvin minus 214 joules per Kelvin minus 6 joules per Kelvin. This will work out to delta S naught of 176 joules per Kelvin. Now the temperature at which the conversion is spontaneous, delta G naught is equal to delta H naught minus T delta S naught. So delta G naught is equal to 0 when the temperature is equal to delta H naught over delta S naught, which is equal to 172.5 kilojoules over 176. That's joules per Kelvin, so that's 0.176 kilojoules per Kelvin. So let's convert that to kilojoules. This will work out to 980 Kelvin. So due to the favorable delta S naught, this reaction is spontaneous at a temperature greater than 980 Kelvin.